साथ में बच्चों के, चाहे लड़का हो चाहे लड़की हो, बिजी लाइफ है बच्चों की, उसमें किस तरह से यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर पेरेंट्स, यही इस डिस्कशन से स्टार्ट हुई थी ये फिल्म। पहला डिस्कशन वाज इसी के बारे में, द डिफ़िकल्टीज़ ऑफ चिल्ड्रन दीज डेज। आजकल जो भी लाइफस्टाइल है, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली की वजह से सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बच्चों के ऊपर आ जाती है। और जब डिस्कस करते करते ये लगा कि शायद ये सबकी लाइफ आजकल वैसी है, तो वी थॉट फिल्म बनाने का इसमें मटीरियल है। मैं कुछ नहीं करती, जो लोग करते हैं वो अंदर है। मैं थोड़ा सा बैडमिंटन खेलती हूँ कभी कभी और खुश रहने की कोशिश करती हूँ। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। सॉरी।
हाँ जी जी, बहुत बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि हर एक टाइप का सिनेमा होना चाहिए। जैसे कि हर एक टाइप का खाना होता है, हर एक टाइप की वैरायटी इज द स्पाइस ऑफ लाइफ। बहुत बहुत खुशी है।
By the audience, even you have worked
Yeah.
on NH10, now it's Piku, there was Split. So do you think that, people are finally accepting actresses now finally?
Yeah, no, I think it's really good because 50% of our audience is women, so 50% of our stars should be women also.
So is it more difficult handling a hero or a heroine?
Heroes, definitely. The women are always much nicer to deal with. All right, thank you. हाँ.
आप फिल्म की शूटिंग करते हैं तो आपकी हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होता है, तो अपनी हेल्थ और फिटनेस को कैसे अच्छा?
तो मैं बहुत कम खाता हूँ, बस यही एक ही राज है। हाँ हाँ, बस बेसिकली मतलब ईट हेल्दी, ईट फाइन, थोड़ी सी एक्सरसाइज कर लिया करो, इतना काफ़ी है। थैंक यू।
Hi. Very good.
Do you think that women-oriented movies nowadays have been accepted by the audience? So now, there's no tension कि अरे नहीं women-oriented movie शायद नहीं चले.
No, I think the audience only accepts good films. It doesn't matter if they're women-orientated or male-orientated. And I think that Piku is an ensemble cast, and I think the credit goes equally to Piku, which is Deepika, Irfan, and Bachchan Sahab. I think they're all outstanding. So I don't think it's about male and female. I think it's just about a good story. Fitness. मैं यही कहूँगी कि अगर आपको अपने आप को फिट रखना है तो आप एक ऐसी चीज़ करें जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद हो, चाहे वो डांस हो, स्पोर्ट्स हो, जिम हो। एक ऐसी चीज़ जो आपकी ज़िंदगी का एक हिस्सा बन जाए, ना कि सिर्फ जब आपको पतला होना है आप कभी कभार करें। Just stay fit, stay healthy, eat well and be happy. हाँ, इरफान के बारे में हम सब यही कह सकते हैं कि वो एक एक्टर नहीं है। वो कुछ अलग ही है। वो हमेशा हर चीज़ को असलियत बना लेते हैं। ऐसे लगता है you're watching something real, it's not acting. And I think that's the biggest lesson to learn from him. Inshallah, one day I'll get a chance to work with him. I was supposed to do something in Maqbool, इस वक्त मैं नहीं कर पाई, and it's a big regret, but maybe in the future. जी, मैं एक फिल्म शुरू करने वाली हूँ in the next 2 months. Once the producers tell you, then you'll know. I start shooting, I think, in August, September, and 2 new songs. Thank you.
डाल रही है बॉलीवुड पे और कितना सक्सेस उसको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं
पीकू एक नई जनरेशन की फिल्म है और सुरजीत जी हमेशा एक नया ट्राई करते हैं, एक नई सोच लाने के लिए। पहले था विकी डोनर एंड मद्रास कैफे, एंड ये भी एक ऐसे एक टॉपिक है जो लोग बोलते नहीं, और अगर उसको फिल्म में देखा जाए और आप हंस रहे भी हो, रिलेट भी कर रहे हो, एंड एक कैरेक्टर है हर फैमिली में होता है, तो ये नया दौर है एंड होपफुली इट विल वर्क वेरी नाइसली फॉर पीपल इन अदर फिल्म्स।
Why do you think that women-oriented movies are nowadays working much better as compared to the previous days? So what is the reason like? And is it safer to work with women than men? Because returns now, directors and producers don't even have to worry about the returns.
या बेसिकली अगर बजट में बनाएं तो हर पिक्चर सक्सेसफुल होती है, एंड होपफुली इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली द विमेन ओरिएंटेड मूवीज आर वर्किंग। हाँ, मैंने की है, एंड सेकंड भी मेरी सरबजीत वुमेन ओरिएंटेड भी है, लेकिन पीपल आर गेटिंग बोल्डर, एंड एक फिल्म सक्सेस हो जाती है तो ऐसा लगता है हाँ पैसे ज़्यादा डाल सकते हैं उसमें।
Wow. I think it was a simple party. I didn't think it was like simple tamjam. Well done, guys.
Deepika, finally, people have got so much of love and appreciation. So, do you think that now, actresses are, actually...
I missed the first half of the question because I was looking there. Sorry.
Okay, I was thinking that Piku has got so much of love and appreciation, and now do you think that actresses can actually pull off a movie on their shoulders? It's all ready.
I'd like to believe so. I'd like to believe so. But like, I don't want you to get into this whole feminism zone or women's empowerment. I think we've begun to sort of misconstrue that a little bit. I think all we're looking for is equality in every way, whether it's the kind of films that we get or the kind of roles that we get or the kind of money that we make. I think one is just really looking for equality, and I think we're definitely headed in the right direction. And I think good scripts and very, very strong female parts is a good beginning.
And it is said that women, the actresses are not paid much than the actors. So now is it the right time that the actresses should also be paid as much as the actors are?
It's a long debate. Processes need to be put in place. And of course, there's so many factors. It's yes, it is true that I think the guys get paid way more than the girls get paid, but there is a reason also for that. But also now times are changing, so maybe now we need to start adapting to that. But again, like I said, we're definitely, I'm very optimistic about that, and I definitely believe that we're headed in the right direction. And I think the beginning is already happening with the kind of films and with the kind of roles, and I think we're definitely headed in that direction.
And are you open now to a women-oriented movie that you can actually pull off on your shoulders? Are you ready? Do we see you in future doing such kind of movies more again?
I think I've always been. I don't think I've ever, and I think you can see in my body of work that I don't think I've ever just stuck to doing one kind of cinema. I've done, I can do a Piku, but I also do, like different kinds of films. And again, I won't do a woman-centric film for the sake of doing a woman-centric film. It has to excite me, like Piku has.
it has this, the subject and the story has to be exciting. I have to find the character challenging. I have to find the film exciting, and then I'll definitely do it. I wouldn't do it just for the heck of doing it. Piku again, was one of those films that I completely identified with. I believe it's the story of you and me. It's the story of every girl. It's the story of every family. It's a story that I was excited to tell, and something that I was excited about. So if something like this comes my way, most definitely.
Did you have any idea that people will be this stage, the time when you started off from?
So, एक minute, huh? Sorry.
कोई भी idea कि the time when you started that Piku will be this stage, because after that also a movie got released that is now doing that well on box office.
I don't think any of us expected this kind of a reaction. I would be lying if I said that I didn't expect people to like Piku, because that's why we do films. We sign films because we know that somewhere deep down inside, or we hope that somewhere deep down inside, people will identify with it, they'll like it. I thought, chalo, they'll go to the theatre, they'll say, acha, achhi film hai, and they'll leave. I really did not expect for the audience to start taking ownership of the film. And that's what I've been saying. I feel like the film is beyond even our control now, because the audience, whatever promotion, publicity is happening, the audience is doing, and I think that it's an extremely overwhelming feeling, almost very, very emotional, and I really so much love, so much acceptance. I don't think any of us expected.
दीपिका यहाँ पे मेरा कब से क्या हम बोला आपको डांस के लिए मिस कर रही है प्रिया हमने देखा मलिका को भी देखा आपको अभी तक नहीं देखा
I have no reason to be there. I'd love to be there. मैं एक बार गई थी बहुत पहले, but I think I just started my acting career at that time, but that was related to a brand. Again, if it's brand related, I don't know. Let's see, but I would love to go with a film. I haven't seen pictures, but I do believe that it's a huge platform, and I'm extremely proud of her and everyone, Sonam, Aishwarya, everyone who's going. I'm extremely proud of them, and hopefully one day I'll also be able to make it there.
How's Tamasha shaping up? Deepika, tell us about that also, because we are eagerly waiting कि हम क्या होने वाला है next. हाँ, witness partner.
So Tamasha is my next release. We're releasing on the 27th of November, and I'm excited. The film is ready. I have just about 4 or 5 days of work left, but the film is ready, and that is my next release. So I'm very excited.
अपने आप को कैसे फिट रख पाते हैं? शूटिंग के दौरान इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होता है, तो अपने फिटनेस का राज है ऑडियंस।
Actually, in the last 10 days, I don't think I've needed to work out, because we just finished shooting a song for Bajirao Mastani, and Priyanka and I were dancing for 8 or 10 hours a day for 10 days non-stop. So it has been very, very hectic. Now, with the promotion coming to an end, maybe I can go back to my, like he said, Pilates.
दीपिका एक फैन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?